Your body has a built-in detox system. Here's why it's failing and how to fix it. Every detox tea, juice, cleanse, and 3-day reset you've seen advertised is missing the point entirely. Your body already has a sophisticated multi-organ detoxification system that runs 24 hours a day. The problem isn't that you need a product to detox. The problem is that your body's built-in detox machinery is overloaded, under-resourced, and in some cases completely backed up. Here's how it actually works and how to support it properly. Stage 1, the gut. First line of defense, your gut is the primary barrier between the outside world and your internal environment. A healthy gut lining, a robust microbiome, and adequate stomach acid work together to neutralize toxins, bind heavy metals, metabolize environmental chemicals, and eliminate waste before it can enter circulation. When gut permeability is compromised, which it is in most chronically ill patients, toxins that should have been blocked at the gut wall enter the bloodstream and escalate to the liver for processing. Every toxin that gets through the gut creates work for every other detox organ downstream. Gut health is not one piece of the detox puzzle, it is the foundation the entire system stands on. Stage 2, the liver, processing and neutralization. The liver processes everything that arrives via the portal blood from the gut in 2 phases. Phase 1, it converts fat-soluble toxins into intermediate compounds, a process that actually makes the toxins temporarily more reactive before Phase 2 completes their neutralization. Phase 2 then conjugates these intermediate compounds, attaching them to molecules like glutathione, sulfate, or glucuronide, making them water-soluble and excretable. Phase 1 without Phase 2 support is one of the most common dysfunctions in chronically ill patients. It generates reactive intermediates that cause oxidative damage throughout the body. The most common reason Phase 2 fails is depletion of glutathione, B vitamins, magnesium, and sulfur-containing amino acids, all of which are gut absorption-dependent nutrients. Stage 3 is the lymphatic system, the drainage network. Your lymphatic system is the least discussed and most critical piece of the detox puzzle. It is a network of vessels that drains metabolic waste, immune byproducts, and processed toxins from tissue throughout the body, including the brain via the lymphatic system, and delivers them to the liver and kidneys for the final elimination. When the lymphatic system becomes congested, which happens from physical activity, dehydration, chronic inflammation, and gut-driven immune activation, processed toxins cannot drain and begin accumulating in tissue. This is the mechanism behind the chronic swelling, joint aching, brain fog, and fatigue that conventional detox approaches never address. You can run the perfect liver protocol and still feel terrible if the lymph cannot carry the processed waste away. Stage 4 is the kidneys and the colon, the final elimination. The kidneys filter water-soluble toxins from the blood and excrete them in the urine. The colon eliminates the bile-conjugated toxins from the liver. When elimination is slow through chronic constipation, dehydration, or impaired kidney function, processed toxins sit in the colon, are reabsorbed, and recirculate to the liver for reprocessing. This enterohepatic recirculation of toxins is one of the most significant drivers of chronic toxin accumulation in patients who are detoxing without seeing results. L-glutamine to repair the gut permeability and reduce the toxin load reaching the liver, activated charcoal or bentonite clay to bind toxins in the gut before absorption. For the liver, N-acetylcysteine at 600 milligrams twice daily to replenish glutathione, milk thistle as Silmarin at 420 milligrams a day. And you can also take the B vitamins to support in the methylated forms for Phase 2 conjugation in the liver, and also using sulforaphanes for sulfur compounds like eating cruciferous vegetables to help with the Phase 2 conjugation. You can also try dry brushing toward the heart before showering. With adequate hydration, half your body weight in ounces of filtered water daily. Elimination, magnesium glycinate at 400 milligrams nightly to maintain bowel regularity and prevent enterohepatic recirculation. Adequate fiber from whole food sources to bind bile and carry toxins out with the stool. Which stage of this detox system do you think is the most backed up in your body right now? Let me know in the comments below, and also check out my free gut health masterclass where we go over how to fix the gut and how this can help with many different chronic illnesses.